Hi, I'm Stacy. MotoPress Hotel Booking has a new feature that lets you get reports for bookings in a few seconds. I will show you today how it works. Consider subscribing to our channel to keep up with all the latest features. In the update 3.5.0, we added an option to export all the booking info in the CSV format. Such file can be opened in any spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets and used for reporting. A CSV file can be generated in the Bookings tab, Reports. It will contain info about the bookings that are stored in the Bookings tab, All Bookings. All the bookings received on your website will be taken into account. Bookings imported from other booking platforms do not contain much info and are not included into the CSV files generated by our plugin. The export has few but flexible settings. We can export bookings for all accommodation types or only particular ones, with any or particular booking status. For example, it is easy to export all confirmed bookings for my summer villa. Below, we select the period that we want to export the bookings for. If we leave the date fields empty, bookings for all time will be exported. Booking dates between will export all bookings whose check-in and check-out dates fall between the dates that you specify here. So if I export bookings from the 5th of August till the 27th of August, we will see only 2 bookings in my file because the third one has a later checkout date than the 27th of August. We can also select all bookings whose check-in date falls into your interval. The same is with the checkout date between. In-house between will export all ongoing bookings for a certain period. For example, this will let us get a list of all the guests who are in the hotel on Monday or from Monday till Sunday next week. Date of reservation is when a booking was placed. One can visit your website in summer and place a booking for winter. So the date of reservation for this booking is in summer. And this exporting option will let us export all bookings that were received in summer, for example. Below we select what booking info to export. All these fields can be found within each booking. For instance, booking ID, check-in and check-out dates, accommodation, number of people, customer, and payment info. Our plugin will remember all the boxes that you check here for future exports. When you are happy with the selection, click Generate CSV. The plugin will create a file that can be saved to your computer for further processing. If there are no bookings matching your selection, you will see a relevant message and the CSV file will not be formed. Here is an example of my export with several bookings. Each box that we ticked is a separate column. It may happen so that somebody books multiple accommodations in one booking. In this case, each accommodation will occupy a separate row in the exported file. So some booking info, like customer and payment, will be duplicated in each row. This is a new feature, so let us know what you think about it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a great one.